how to create a Windows pre-installation environment, bootable USB flash drive, or ISO. If you need a recovery or deployment tool for Windows 10 or 11, Windows pre-installation environment, or WinPE, is your best friend. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create a Windows PE bootable USB flash drive or ISO image step by step. You'll also learn how to customize WinPE and troubleshoot common issues. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Creating a WinPE bootable USB drive in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, you'll need a USB drive to install Windows PE. This process will erase everything on the drive, so back up any important files beforehand. The USB should have enough storage to accommodate Windows PE and any additional files you plan to access while using the pre-installation environment. The next thing you'll need to do is install the Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit. To do this, go to Microsoft's ADK installation page and download both the latest ADK and the Windows PE add-on. Run aksetup.exe to install the Windows ADK. Make sure to install it to the computer. Click Next until you reach the Select the Features You Want to Install screen. Then check only Deployment Tools and press Install. Next, run ADK WinPE setup.exe to install the Windows PE add-on. Select the option to install it on this computer. Click Next until you reach the Select the Features You Want to Install screen once more. Check Windows Pre-Installation Environment, Windows PE, then click Install. Once done, choose Close. Now, let's build the bootable media. First, run the Deployment and Imaging Tools environment as an administrator from the Start menu. To copy WinPE files to a staging folder, run this for 64-bit and run this for 32-bit. Replace C:\WinPE x64 with your staging path. Just make sure it isn't your USB. To create the bootable Windows PE USB drive, run this replace C:\WinPE x64 with your staging path and E: with the correct drive letter for your USB. To create a bootable Windows PE ISO image instead of a USB drive, run replace C:\WinPE x64.iso with the path to where you want to write the new ISO image file. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to create a Windows pre-installation environment. Bootable USB flash drive or ISO linked in the description below.